Curious about the fuse box diagram and location for the 2025 Kia EV9? In this guide, we'll explore common questions, including how to access the fuse box, interpret its layout, and troubleshoot electrical issues effectively. Driver's side fuse panel. The driver's side fuse panel is typically located under the dashboard near the steering wheel for easy access. It houses various fuses that control essential vehicle functions like lights, wipers, and infotainment systems. A labeled diagram on the panel cover helps identify each fuse's purpose. Motor compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel contains fuses and relays that protect vital electrical components of the vehicle, such as the engine control unit, cooling fans, and lighting systems. It is located under the hood, typically near the battery. Rear junction block fuse panel. The rear junction block fuse panel manages power distribution to rear electrical components, offering circuit protection through fuses and relays. It ensures system reliability and simplifies troubleshooting. Battery junction block fuse panel. The battery junction block fuse panel contains key fuses and relays, powering critical systems. It ensures circuit protection and offers easy access for maintenance.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.